Yeah. I only just started taking these apart, and I got rid of quite a fair bit of these in the past. Were at laptop chargers. This was a brand new charger, and I had it for years. I used it for my old laptop, and been on marketplace for 6 years, and then and I clean it up now and then, and I thought, and then I accidentally cut the cable off. So while I'm at it, I'm going to take apart a lithium AC adapter, or known as a PC charger. What you do is cut the cable. Yeah? Leave it till there's like that much cable there. Yeah? The best way to do it is to get the cutters. It's like technically, squeezing it. Yeah? Cut the bit off. So sometimes it's alright, sometimes it can come out as it want. Yeah? Then what I did is then stab it into thing little way. And it normally it'll pop open. I took one of these apart yesterday. So yeah. But it didn't have this outside casing on, but this one has. So that's weird though. I wish I didn't take the one apart. I could have done it on both videos. I know it wasn't attached. And I know it when I had didn't have the plastic casing. And I know the other one didn't have one like that. It just had it like that. And then one was technically over. This one's different. But they were both the exact same one. So yeah. So just bend that back. So that goes in my aluminium. That should be an aluminium. That's aluminium. Got this bit of cable. There. I should take that corner off. Cut that off there. I shut that in my aluminium. Shut that in my aluminium. And I know this one got a copper core. The other one didn't have one on. But this one's got a lot of glue on it. So there's that over on. And the transformer. Because the other one I did cut part it I cut past it. This one's got yellow tape all the way around it. The other one didn't. So just got that bit of cable off it. But with these, yeah, if you take the yellow, I'll show you anyway. Yeah, say from that, yeah, normally the wrong way. If you get your cutters, and normally you can put it in a certain way, put it in, start cutting it, all comes in pieces. But then it's like that, all the way round, and it's like the copper wires there. The time you want to do it more, it keeps going on and on. It's like if I put it in a certain angle, this camera will let me focus into it. But technically it's like it's not focusing, but it's not focusing, but by the fade anyway, it's like copper, this yellow tape, copper, yellow tape, copper, yellow tape. So it will just start me doing that, and then it's just like, because this side is sticky, so it's like the copper wire with that side, then the tape be like, like that, then the wire again, that on top, then wire again, and that's it. But it's just constant, wrap. That's one tape round it, wire, that tape round, and it's just constant thing. But yeah, so this, not that. But technically, the rest of that can go in my aluminium. So yeah.